Hi, welcome to Mr. Eggy's channel. Like today, I have with me a nice simple jacket that I got. Summit UK. It's very nice, very good looking pair of jacket. When I saw this jacket, I was like, yo, this jacket is very unique and different. You know what, let's get into it. This jacket right here is very nice, well put together. Like, it's very solid. It feels nice in the hands. It's just nice and strong, you know what I mean? Like, it's nice. It's not too heavy and it's not too soft. It's just perfect. Like, you can wear this throughout the whole year. Like the heaviness is just perfect for the whole year. You can wear it in the winter time. You can wear a hoodie under and you will be warm. Springtime you can wear it with a t-shirt, and you can just wear it in the summertime the same way. Like, it's a very nice jacket. Can't go wrong with this jacket. I really like it. I'm gonna showcase like how to rock this jacket in two ways, one in the beginning and one at the end for you guys to see.